Sound is an imaginative medium.
The flowing white rapids of a slow-moving, deep...
I go through the whole day hearing rhythm.
It's a physical manifestation that somehow makes music.
Thunderstorm. You can't help but feel it.
Spring peepers outside of the
I
door.
minister through sound in my church.
We've got a mid-bass horn of some size, and then in a complementary manner.
You know, Kenton brings a very, very unique perspective in physics, in acoustics, in understanding the applications and how we can build the products to meet them.
Part of the expanding engineering team is bringing different people with different ideas, different disciplines into EAW now.
There are different situations in terms of rooms and what's being performed, and each speaker is really a unique response to that particular situation.
The EAW, we're able to rapidly prototype new speaker systems with some innovative techniques we've come up with.
Mastercam is also a big part of it. Pre-designed work before it hits the machine, and it's automatically downloaded to the router. Toolpath is already done ahead of time. There was a very large amount of communication between us and the CAD guys back and forth.
That's the challenge to constantly improve what you did yesterday.
When you're growing at 65% a year, the systems and processes need to be very dynamic, because it really is a chain of commitments that we have to make, from the vendor, through purchasing, through the shop, through engineering and everything else.
We want to make sure that whatever we promise we are able to achieve. Customer knows we're good if they're satisfied.
On-time delivery dates.
On-time delivery, perfect quality out of the box, and delivering the design of the product that they're looking for.
We have 3 QC guys right now that walk around the production floor. They also do all the testing, but they have production people helping them test. When you hear of the names like Eric Clapton and Van Halen, then you take a lot of pride in what you do.
I've watched this company grow from a very small bunch of cool people to a company which has over 200 people and now in operation in Europe. And they haven't lost the chemistry.
That's one of the biggest thrills, when you actually get to see what it is you do 12, 13 hours a day sometimes, and you get out there on a work night or on a weekend, and you actually get to enjoy what it is you've been doing for the last 60 hours, and, you know, feel the results. That's very enjoyable and a pleasure, actually.